So when it's in this full upright and extend mode, that's when these rungs will operate the smoothest. They will operate at any position. This is just the optimum smoothest position to run them. So you just crank this crank here. The way it operates is it has a cog that catches each rung and pushes them through. This is not how the full-scale model would work, but very similar in that it's using a cog catching the rungs. As we run it through, you can see down here in the take-up system, each rung running through each section of take-up, which the number of sections depends on how long the actual model is. So what we can do now in this orientation is we'll bring those extensions back in and show how these take-up systems will take up that extra rung slack. So again, here on the controller, we're in the extend mode. Now we just want to come in, so I'm just going to flip this down, and then from there just start pressing the button. You can see how it's taking up those rungs. You know, they're still operable, but you can see how it's taking up those rungs in this take-up slack system. And this has a stop on it as well. So once it gets to the full retraction, which is right about there, it stops, and so when I press this, it still won't do anything. Okay?
Let's extend it one more time.
Okay. In this orientation, or
yeah, that's fine, right
straight?
there.
Okay. So now we just switch that back to out.
Okay. Very good.
So now the controller's on out and extend, and you just hit the button and extend that back out. Okay?
Okay.
So now what I'll do is I'll bring it back in and then show the down movement. So let's just switch it back to in. Bring that back in, back down. Till it stops, hits that safety switch. Again, the rungs can still be run in this mode. It's just not the optimum, so you might get some catching there. But as you can see, they run pretty smoothly even in this retracted state. So now what I'll do is just switch this to the lift mode, and since I was already in the that also correlates with down on the lift, so I'm going to leave it on down and then just hit that to bring it back down. And it drops pretty quickly, but as you can see, now that it's hit that stop, again, I hit the button and it's not moving.
Raise it and lower it one more time.
Okay.
For the recording.
Okay. So same thing will work. We just want to flip it to the up. Since we're already in lift, hit the button. And I'm just toggling it so it just doesn't slam up real quick. If it did slam up real quick, it's not going to break anything. It's just a caution. And then same thing, just flip that down to down. And you can just bring it back down. And then when it hits that stop at the bottom, same thing happens. So the stop for the bottom is over here, and the stop for the top is over here when it triggers. Okay? So now, I guess the final thing is just showing the different movement of this piece here, because like we were saying with the wiring internally, we limit it to basically this rotation and then back this way. It won't rotate really beyond that this way, or else it'll start twisting those wires. So that's pretty much it. Can still, like we were saying, still can run in this mode here. Just again, isn't the optimum, but it runs, cleanly through there. Okay. Okay. How's that?
Go ahead and
Anything
crank
else
a
you wanna
little.
see?
I'd just like to crank a little more so I can get a close up of the,
Cranking more here? Yeah.
down
Okay.
below.